My dear students, this is the video of the tricks to find out the group number and period number of an element when the electronic configuration of the element is given or the atomic number of the element is given. So, the first case when the electronic configuration of an element is given. అంటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఇస్తే how to find the group number and period number. This is the trick. So, this is the simple trick to find out the period number and group number of an element. Period number is maximum value of n. అంటే ఇచ్చిన ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్లో ఎక్కువ n వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అదే పీరియడ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. Group number is the number of electrons in ns for s black elements, number of electrons in ns plus np plus 10 for p black elements, number of electrons in ns plus n minus 1 into d for d black elements. So, let us consider some examples to explain the trick. The electronic configuration of an element is given as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5. So, for this you have to find out the group number and period number. So, the period number is very simple. So, we have to see the maximum value of n. N means this one, and here it is the value. I mean n represents the shell number. This is the principal quantum number. So, the maximum value is 4. So, simply the period number is 4. So, what is about group? For the group number for S black element, so it is simply the electrons in ns. For p black elements, this is simply ns plus np plus 10. Just now I have given you the trick. For d black element, this is the number of electrons in ns and n minus 1 into d. Means ns అంటే ఈ లాస్ట్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఇది దీంట్లో ఉన్నాయి తర్వాత n minus 1 4 minus 1 అంటే 3 4 minus 1 n minus అంటే ns లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అట్లనే n minus 1 into d లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. సో ఫర్ దిస్ ns అంటే 4s లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అట్లనే 4 minus 1 అంటే 3d లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఈ రెండు ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎంత ఉంటాయో అదే దాని యొక్క గ్రూప్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. 4s2 3d5 is there. So, electrons in ns is 2 and electrons in n minus 1 into d, that is 3d, is 5. So, the total is 7. Therefore, the the group number is 7. So, in this way you have to find out the group number and period number. Take one more example, that the electronic configuration is given as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So, the period number is, it is very simple, the maximum of n value which is 3 here. So, the period is 3 and the group is, if it is p black, then this will be ns, number of electrons in ns, so that is 2, and number of electrons in p, that is 4 plus 10. So, 10 plus 4 plus 2 is 16. So, the group number of the element given is 16. Now, consider one more example, that is argentinum. I can say silver. So, whose electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d9. So the period number is, it's very simple, this is the maximum of n. So 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 4. So this is the period number. So it is in fifth period, and the group number is, as it is d black element, so ns, the electrons in ns, so the electrons in ns is 2, and the electrons in n minus 1 means 4, n minus 1 d లో ఉన్నటువంటి electrons 9. So 2 plus 9 will be 11. So argentinum, that is the silver, will be in the fifth period and the 11th group. So in this way you can find out the group number and period number if the electronic configuration is given. Now let's move to the second case, that is when the atomic number of an element is given. అంటే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఇస్తే మనము ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క గ్రూప్ నెంబర్, పీరియడ్ నెంబర్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలనో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. So to explain the group number and period number if the atomic number is given, then first of all we have to know the atomic numbers of the noble gases, that is 18th group elements. First you have helium whose atomic number is 2, and then you have neon whose atomic number is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10, and then argon whose atomic number is 18, and then krypton whose atomic number is 36, and then xenon whose atomic number is 54, and then radon whose atomic number is 86, and then organoxan whose atomic number is 118. So these numbers should be remembered. So it is very easy to remember these numbers because the difference of first two is 8, and second and third is also 8, third and fourth is 18, fourth and fifth is also 18, fifth and sixth is 32, and sixth and seventh is 32. So in this way you can easily remember the atomic numbers of inert gases. So those are 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86 and 118. Now let us find out the group number and period number of an element with atomic number 46. We have to see the next inert gas for this. అంటే ఇక్కడ 46 ఇచ్చారు కదా, దీని తర్వాత ఇనర్ట్ గ్యాస్ ఏదో చూడాలి. దీని 46 తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ఇనర్ట్ గ్యాస్ 54. 54 నెంబర్ ఎంత కౌంట్ చేయండి, 1 2 3 4 5. సో ద పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ ఈజ్ 5. సో ఈ 46 ఎలిమెంట్ యొక్క పీరియడ్ 5 అవుతుంది. గ్రూప్ ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే, గ్రూప్ షుడ్ బి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ విత్ 18 మైనస్ డిఫరెన్స్. 18 మైనస్ డిఫరెన్స్. డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే దీని తర్వాత వచ్చిన నోబెల్ గ్యాస్ నెంబర్కి తర్వాత ఈ నెంబర్కి ఉన్న డిఫరెన్స్ని 18లోకి వెళ్ళి రిమూవ్ చేస్తే మనకి వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ 46 కదా, సో 54 మైనస్ 46 ఈజ్ 8. ఈ 8ని 18లోకి వెళ్ళి తీసేస్తే ఇట్ విల్ బి 18 minus 8 which is equals to 10. So the group number of the element with atomic number 46 is 10. Let's take one more example. Now you have given an element with number 74. So for this you have to find out the group number and period number. 74. After 74 you have 86. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the period number is 6. It's over. Now the group number is, how to find out the group number? 18 minus difference. This is the formula. So the difference between these two is 6 minus 4 is 2 and 8 minus 1, so 12. So 18 minus difference, so 18 minus 12, 18 minus 12 means it is 6. So it will be in 6th group. So the element with atomic number 74 is in 6th period and 6th group. In this way, you can find out the group number and period number of an element if the atomic number is given.